Hey jammers, it's Quartz and welcome to this video. This video will be just how I make my looks for Animal Jam, and I'm here with my friend Naka and Sly Guy 27. Let me just get them to say hi to you all. Okay, just say hi. Yeah. Oh, not good that. I'm not actually gonna kill you. I just want you to say hi. I actually want to see what it is. Okay, so that's a penguin. Naka. Okay. Okay, let's just pick a random article to experiment with. This is an easy to remember one. Okay, so I did, of course, use my voice in my last vid. So I'm going to start doing it a bit. Where'd she go? Oh, seriously, Naka? Lol. Oops, wrong thing. She wore the exact same article when I did this video, which was me, her, and Night Brave Tiger 1. Night Brave Tiger. Oh yeah, she's not all I want to show. I want to show my other best friend, Jammer2WM75. Okay, let's actually try to do this. Okay, so I'm going to get them to give me a colour quickly, because sometimes what I do, I come up with a colour and then I pick an item that I like in that colour and base it around that item. Oh wow, wow, just blue. Okay, I can try that. I don't think I've actually ever done blue before, so blue should be quite easy though. Oh yeah, and I am planning on giving away this halo. I said it in the first video where I revealed my thing. So it's only going to be kept on note if people do join it, and I am planning on doing it at the start of next month, so that should give plenty of time, but I'm just going to use it for, actually no, I'm going to use my blue headphones. Okay, let's pick a neck item. No, I do not want that, and I'm not using that Lee. I look stupid. Silver chain. I'm on neck. I'm being silly today. Okay, let's see. What can I have? Or am I gonna do one? No, that intersects with the necklace. Yeah, I'm actually gonna give it that blue skirt, and blue designs. Okay, now something to do with leg. I think I'll just do these. It's nice and simple. Okay, no, wrong thing. Oh, that's quite nice. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. What about me? What? I actually might keep this look later, but I might change the skirt. I actually really like the patterns on that one, so okay. Let's do this next one. New colour. Come on. So I'm gonna do about at least 3 looks in this video. So far we spent a lot of time messing about, so I'm gonna try to speed it up a bit now. Come on. Ooh, yay. I actually like purple. I mean, it's not that I like blue, but yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. I've got purple boots and skirt, but I don't want to repeat myself. No, I'm not gonna be a mummy. Okay, don't judge. It's still a decent headpiece. Milkshakes are delicious. You've gotta love them. What's happened? Oh, you're kidding me. Talk about not wasting any more time. Okay. Naka. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just get this done with. With me milkshake. Okay, I want neck. What does that go? No. No, that is nasty. That does not go through. I guess that goes. This is technically still my cabin. Yes, sir. No. I dare say you did. I think the best option is probably sunblade. This is a very, very random look. I recommend you do not choose this. No! Just never, ever, ever do this look. I'm not even joking. This is... oh no. I'm gonna go show them. I like this one. Joking. Never use this look. This is just ridiculous. Okay. Oh god. Oh look, if you're gonna go for a purple look, copy my friend Naka's example. That is a decent purple look. I cannot do a decent purple look. I need new purple colours. Oh, maybe red. I'm actually gonna do a red look because I feel like it. Okay, let's see. Head. I already know. Oh, what's that like? No! Oh, that's nice. I had that. I don't want it too much like my box. Oh, that right? No, I'm gonna keep coming during the wall. That still looks okay. Not anything else. No, wristwatches. Silver. Oh, this is much better. This lots better. Okay, so 2 more to go. Yeah, they didn't call the colour. I'm gonna go for. I'm actually gonna try orange because I don't really do orange. So this will be a bit of an experiment. School's got me working too hard. I'm actually not going to do that just yet. Oh, I know what I'll base it off of. Come on. Oh, you are kidding me! Better not be the flies. At this rate, I'm only going to get to finish the orange. I'm pretty much going to shout out to most of my friends who are online. All because Naka is near. No, don't you dare. What's happening? What is happening? Okay. You know what, I'm just gonna do it in my den for now, so I don't go scrolling through names again and again and again. So let's go. I'm actually gonna use this. I'm gonna use the anchor. I've never used it before. I thought it looked really nice, but I never use it. So let's use it. Oh no. I'm not sure what that actually. No. Never ever use mech wings on an article. Ever. I mean it. Actually, I might not do a back for this. Okay. This is probably going to be really, really odd. I'm going to go back to that, so no. No, not that right. I look like a carrot. Yeah, no. No. I'm not, and repeat, not a boy. This is an okay look. I still think I look a bit like a carrot. So I'm gonna go for one more look, and I really don't know. I really don't know what colour to make this. Oh, I know. I have these two. Heart locket, and then if I go into the legs. Oh yes, I'm kind of like this one. I'm not going to have a tail for this one. Go back to... yeah. No, fire. And then... okay, so this is the last look. So usually what I do, I either pick a colour or an item and I base it around that. So thanks for watching this video. Bye, Janice!